Behind every sweet mango is a long and meticulous journey. Today, we will follow the entire path from the orchard to the modern processing factory. Let's visit a vast mango farm covering an area of about 16.66 square kilometers. Each year, local farmers plant thousands of mango trees. Planting holes are dug to a depth of about 60 centimeters, mixed with well-rotted manure, phosphate fertilizer, and lime to improve the soil, helping young roots take hold quickly and develop during the first months. The tree is placed upright, the soil filled just enough to cover the root ball, then secured with stakes. After planting, the mango trees need regular watering and light shade during the initial stage. Continuous close monitoring is required to make timely adjustments before the trees fully establish their roots. After a few months of stabilizing the tree, proper care becomes the key step that determines the future quality of the fruit. The powerful Autofarm Power TT V2 Pro machine is responsible for clearing weeds around the base of the mango trees. When the branches are still young, soft ties are used to adjust the branch angle to about 60 degrees, then checked and readjusted after 3 months, so the canopy maintains a stable form and reduces the risk of breakage in the long term. Do you wonder how pruning is done once the mango tree trunk grows larger? That's when the orchard pruner comes in a diesel-powered machine with a 7.5 horsepower engine, operating a cutting arm that can reach up to 4 meters high, removing excess branches to optimize the tree canopy. Stable temperatures, sufficient light, and proper pruning help flower clusters develop strongly. Creating favorable conditions for successful fruit set. After a long waiting period, the mangoes are finally ready for harvest. The fruit is cut when it reaches full maturity, usually about 120 days after flowering, to ensure sweetness, firmness, and suitability for long-distance transport. This process requires gentle handling, using pruning shears to cut the stem and support bags to prevent bruising of the skin. Harvesting is not the final step. After that, the mangoes are sorted, cleaned, and transported to collection points. Then they are loaded onto trucks and sent to large processing factories. After being delivered to the factory, mangoes go through a closed processing system designed to preserve quality and prepare them for further processing. The fruit is washed with clean water, sorted by size and ripeness, then cooled at 12-15 degrees Celsius to stabilize the flesh structure. Next comes the peeling stage. Mechanical knives or manual peelers are used to remove the thick skin. This preserves the golden flesh inside before slicing and sending it into the next processing line. In the mango pressing stage, the peeled and finely cut flesh is fed into a screw press to continuously separate the juice from the fiber. The pressing force is carefully controlled, allowing the mango juice to flow evenly while preserving its natural golden color and distinctive aroma. The remaining pulp is separated. The juice stream then passes through a fine filtration stage, preparing it for pasteurization and packaging. Follow the channel to continue exploring the complete journey from the mango orchard to the modern processing factory.